Alright, so here's the spindle block. It's in the vise, and I'm going to locate the very center of this. Even though I had laid out the marks, that was just for reference, so I don't make any mistakes. Hopefully not. And so after I get this centered, I gotta drill a letter O hole down 280 thousandths deep. Then take that out, and then I'll drill the rest of the way through with a letter F, and that'll get tapped for a 1/4 So I'm going to go ahead and get going. Okay. I went ahead, center drilled this. This is on center in both X and Y axis. Okay, so I got a letter F drill bit. It's just 257. I'm going to go down 280 thousandths. And so we'll get started. Lucky 7 drill bit, and we'll drill that all the way through. Okay, 1/4 tap. Pull A9 on there. Okay, so turn to work on its side now. Relocated the center line in the Y direction, and came in 188 thousandths from the edge, and got to drill 2 holes here, and they'll get reamed to a 1/4 inch. So I got my center drill in. We'll get started with that. And I'm going to go to incremental mode and move it over 750 thousandths. Okay, 15/64 drill bit, and Okay, so 1/4 inch reamer and a little bit of lubrication. Alright, so let's see what happens with this mess. Okay, so here's the spindle block all completed. I cleaned it up, took all the bluing off, and yeah, that slot kind of tracked a little off a bit, but I'm not too worried about that. So okay, so this piece is complete. 2 1/4 inch reamed holes and the 1/4 tapped hole, and the threads are in the bottom half, so as the spindle tightens down, it'll pinch and lock in the 2 1/4 inch rods. So all right, so I guess this will conclude this video, and I guess the next one we'll start on the main block. So okay, hope you guys are enjoying this. See you back soon.